Hey guys, it's Joanne here and I'm back at it again with another video. This is a natural hair video. As you can see, I took out my braids and today I'll be showing y'all how I achieved this twist out. Guys, this is the best twist out I've ever done. Like, can we just appreciate the hair? Can we appreciate it? Like, I don't know who's trying to play with me. Like, who's playing with me? So this is the twist out that I did. Go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe, and stay tuned on how I achieved this look. Let me know what other natural hair videos you guys want to see. And yeah, guys, I'm really in love with my hair, and I'm just here to show y'all how I got this look. So keep watching. Guys, look at my hair. Can't do it. Let's just get into the video because this is just crazy. So I just washed my hair and I'm going to start my twist out. Deep conditioned, wash my hair, and I'm just gonna start. I'm gonna do this side first so y'all can actually see. So I'm just gonna start, doing it. Yeah. So this is the products I'm going to be using. First, I'm going to put in my leave-in, which is the Jamaican Black Castor Oil from Shea Moisture. And then I'm going to put the Texture ID Styling Cream. This is what will actually hold your curls and your twist out. And then I'm going to seal everything in with olive oil. So yeah, that's what I'm doing. And if you didn't know that, if you're low porosity, you should be using the LCO method. And yeah, guys, so I'm just gonna start doing it. Guys, look at the shrinkage. Okay, so look. And then when I pull it down, wow. No one can tell me how to. So I'm just using my Tangle Teezer brush from Ulta. If you have 4C hair, stop using wide tooth combs and Denman brushes. Get this brush from Ulta. It's so good. Literally, the bristles move to your hair so it doesn't break off. So good. So yeah, so now my hair is detangled. So I'm gonna go ahead and put in my leave-in conditioner. You just gotta know what products to use, I'm putting it in here. I'm gonna detangle once again. See how easy the brush is going through my hair, y'all? I have 4C hair. Y'all see this? But yeah. And now I'm gonna go in with the Texture ID Styling Cream, which is what will hold my curls or my twist out. So I just put like this much. Rub it, and when you rub it, it turns into like a cream. So it looks like gel, but when you rub it, it turns into a cream. Y'all can see what I'm doing, Now I'm gonna add some olive oil to seal everything in. Guys, sorry if I look ratchet. I just woke up, and I deep conditioned overnight, so I'm just trying to do my hair real fast. And now, guys, I'm just gonna start twisting. So you literally just start twisting your hair, because this is a twist out. So it's really not that hard. I like to do the nape really tight because I want it to be stretched out. And you just start twisting. Yeah. So you just twist it all the way down. This is so funny because it's really not like a big thing, but people ask me how I do my twist outs. So yeah, and then when you get to the end, make sure you curl the end like this so you have a curl once you take out the twist. If it doesn't look spirally like this, that means your hair isn't healthy and you need a trim. So make sure it spirals like this. And guys, the first twist is done. And I'm just gonna do that all over my head and I'll come back to update y'all. Okay, y'all, so I'm at the front piece, and when I get to the front, I like to part my hair in like a triangle type situation. And when I get to the front, I like to do a flat twist so that when I take it out, like the hair falls into my face, like I have bangs. So I don't know if y'all know how to flat twist, but basically you get the hair at the top. You're basically cornrowing, but doing a flat, you're doing a twist instead. I don't know if y'all can see, you get the hair, and then just as you twist, you just collect hair so that it's like a cornrow. Like, it's really not that hard. Like, in the beginning, it was hard for me, but you just need to practice, like, and this isn't really a necessary step. You can just do a regular twist. I just like having hair in my face to look like I have bangs. So, yeah, I'm just flat twisting the hair. But it's like a flat twist into my scalp. And now I just twist all the way down. Like a normal twist, you know. And that's pretty much all I do, guys. So I'm halfway done with my hair. So I get to the end, I add a little more texture ID, and then I just curl the end to have that little spiral. Ooh, period, guys. This is healthy hair. Y'all, so I just finished half of my head. Yeah, so I've done half of my head. I'm just gonna do the other half, and then I'm gonna check back in with y'all. Yeah, I look pretty ratchet right now, but guys, once I take out the twist, it's over. It's over. Y'all, so on my last piece in the front, on the other side, did the flat twist method, you know. Like, this took me about 1 hour and 30 minutes, guys. So you have to be patient. That's just the truth. And you know, the more twists you do, the more defined it's gonna be. I'm gonna count how many twists I have on my head because I really don't know. And I do about 10 to 12 on each side. I don't really, it just varies because I just part it however. So this side has more twists, but at the end of the day, when you take it out, it won't really matter because, you know, it's going to look fire. The longer you let it sit, the more defined your hair is going to be. So I think I'm going to let it sit for 2 days because we're just in quarantine and nothing's happening. Like, I'm not going anywhere. So I'm just going to let this sit for as long as possible. I'll see y'all in like 2 days. And yeah, it's Joanne and I'm back. It's actually only been 1.5 days because me and my friends decided to go swimming, and now I have to take out my twist because I want to take pictures, you know. So I'm gonna take out my twist. Okay, so I just have olive oil here, and you want to put oil on your fingers when you're taking out your twist to prevent frizz. So, you know. Oh, and I sleep, or whenever I'm just in the house, I like to stretch out my twist with the banding method. So I put it in a low ponytail to stretch the front, and then I put bands around all the twists, like in a little ponytail, so it can be stretched out. Okay, guys, so all my twists are dry. See my 2 flat twists right here, and I'm just gonna start taking it out. And then I'm adding olive oil to my fingertips, like not too much, just enough to where it's like, yeah, I look ratchet right now, but once I take out these twists. So you want to start from the bottom, work your way up, nice and slow. And yeah, guys, the first twist is out. And I'm gonna go through later and then separate so it has volume, but for now I'm just gonna take out each twist. I took out all the twists on this side except for the one in the front. I'm deciding whether I even want to take this out, because if I flip out everything else and leave the 2, it might be cute. So I just took out everything on this side, and now I'm going to take out all the twists on this side, and then come back and show y'all how I separate so it can be, you know, fluffy. Also, I've taken out all the twists except for the front two. And you know, it's coming together. Like, I look a little more girly, you know. And now I'm just gonna start separating. So what you wanna do is feel the nape, like feel the top of the hair, right? Like if you see it's already naturally separating right here. So all you're gonna do is just pull where it's naturally separating. And look, the curls stay, everything stays. So that's all you wanna do throughout your whole head. Where it naturally separates, just go ahead and separate the chunks from your twist out. And yeah, I'm just doing this all over my head. This is the longest part because you want to make sure you're being gentle so you don't have a lot of frizz. And also if you have a lot of hair, this will take a long time because, you know, you have to separate a lot of pieces. And you have to make sure you haven't missed any pieces. So I'm just gonna do this all over my head. And this is probably gonna take a good 30 minutes. But do you see this, guys? Like, this is what happens when you take your time to part the hair and let the twist sit. So this is not even the full potential. I'm gonna fluff it out like once I do this side. So I'm gonna do this side and come back and show y'all the product. Okay guys, so as you can see, I've taken out the twist on both sides. Guys, I'm actually surprised because my hair actually never turns out this good. So I'm happy I'm actually filming this. And as you can see, my hair is looking good even without fluffing it. And I still have these two twists right here. I don't know if I'm gonna take it out because I actually like them. But yeah, now I'm just gonna start fluffing out the hair. So I'm gonna add more olive oil to my fingertips and I'm going to go on my scalp and just start shaking. Yeah guys, so it's low-key like a scalp massage. And I'm just shaking my hair out, massaging the oil into my scalp. If you want a video on how I cut my hair, I can do that next time I do a trim. But yeah, I shaped my hair too. So everything is just looking good for real. So yeah, right now I'm just fluffing out the hair. I'm not gonna fluff it too much because I actually like the definition I'm having right now. And yeah guys, this is the end result of the twist out. Like, if you look, I don't know, look at this curl right here. Ooh, look at this. Guys, it's that texture ID. Guys, this is some healthy hair. Shout out to my mama for the good genes. I got her genes for the hair. So my hair grows fast and it's thick. You can go ahead and just fluff it out a little more if you want it bigger, but like I said, I think I like it like this. And this is just fire. Like, I keep touching my hair because this is just a fire twist out. But yeah guys, this is the end result. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know what other natural hair videos you guys want to see. Yeah, I'm gonna leave these two twists in because they're just so cute. And yeah, I'm about to go swimming. Hopefully my hair doesn't shrink. But yeah guys, thank you so much for watching and I'll see you in the next one.